Hi everyone. In this video I want to show you the use of the max function and the large function. Let's say we have this table over here. We've got a list of baseball players, what team they're on, and how many home runs they hit last year. And now we have these questions over here. Who hit the most home runs? Who hit the third most home runs? And they want to add a column to say if that person is in the top 3 in home runs or if they're in the top 5 in home runs. So we can do that using these two functions. First, what is the max home runs? Max will give you the largest number in a range. So if we're going to insert a function, go insert max, and all you basically have to do is just pick the range that you want. So here's the range of home runs. You're going to highlight it, you click OK, and it's going to say, what is the max home runs? 40. If you look down here, the largest number is 40, and it returns it. So that's a quick use of the max function. But say you want to know the third most home runs. The max function will only give you the largest amount. The large function, you can tell it, do you want it the second most home runs, do you want the third, the fourth most home runs? So let's insert a function. We'll do large. Click OK. So first we need to put the array. So again, the array is going to be the list of home runs. And K, this is the position, or the third most, fourth most. Whatever number you put, this is the one it's going to return. So in this case, let's say 3. So we want the third most home runs. Click OK. And I say, what's the third most home runs? 37. If we scan through this, the most is 40. What's the second most? 37. But there's two 37s. So the third most would be 37. If we change this, we went up with this function here and did it to 4. Now it's 36 is the next one. And that's the fourth largest. So let's put this back to a 3. So what's the third most home runs? 37. Now let's say we want to add a column to say, is this person in the top 3 in home runs? Say we want to have like a yes or no. Are they in the top 3? We can insert an if function. Basically what this if function is going to do is it's going to look at the home runs and say, is it greater than or equal to, and then we'd use the large function to say, is it greater than or equal to this number 37? That would put them in the third, top 3 in home runs. So we're going to just write this formula out. If, parentheses, and this number, then we put greater than or equal sign, and now we're going to do the function, the large function. So it's greater than or equal to large, parentheses, and now we have to fill out the large function. So that's going to be this array, and we want a 3 in here. So this large function, this is going to return the number 37, as we see right here. So let's say, is I4 greater than or equal to 37? If it is, we're going to put yes. And if it's not, we're going to put no. Or we can assign anything we want to it, but for this case, I just want to put yes or no. Now we close this out. And is this in the top 3? No. If we copy this down, now we'll see, yes, 37 is greater than or equal to 37, so it's yes. Here's another yes. Here's another yes. So now, which one of these people are in the top 3? It gives you the yes for all these players. Now we can do the same thing if are they in the top 5? Do insert if, is this number greater than or equal to, and then we're going to do our large function again. Here's the array, but we want 5 this time because we want to have the 5th highest home run number, and the parentheses, and then again we're going to put yes, or we're going to put no. Depends what it finds. Close out the parentheses, press enter, there we go. is a no. We can copy this down, and there should be 5 yeses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these people are in the top 5. And this would work. I mean, we could have a row of 500 baseball players and home run totals, and this would work. You can change this to top 5. You can change this to top 10, whatever you want. But that is an overview of how the large function will also work. And I hope this helps. Thanks.